Good evening, everybody. How are we feeling? We okay? How are we feeling, everyone? We excited for Ice Skate Birmingham and the big wheel being back here? Don't we think it looks absolutely fantastic down there? Let's go. Give everyone and yourselves a round of applause. Thank you very much for coming tonight. It's fantastic. Also, kids, while you're here, the author of Murphy and the Monsters, B.B. Taylor, is here and brought the star of the book. Is it Mr. or Mrs. Yeti?
Yoshi.
No, Yoshi. Okay, so Yoshi the Yeti. You can have your photos. We can stick those online. Make sure we hashtag them with Skate Birmingham too. And also, who else we got down here, Naomi?
We got Santa. Say hello, Santa.
Hello, everybody!
Come on, we can do better. What for Christmas? Me. Well, I'll go first then. If you're, do you know? Yes. We're just going to tell Santa later what you would like for Christmas.
Strange photo, Santa and a Yeti, all in the same picture. Not seen if that's been happening before. So let's crack on with the opening anyway, and it gives me great honour to introduce down here for Ice Skate Birmingham, the Right Worshipful Lord Mayor of Birmingham. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome for Councillor Anne Underwood.
Thank you very much. As I drove around in the car, I could not believe the light display that there was, the welcome for us. Absolutely tremendous out there, and such an improvement to my mind to what we used to do on Centenary Square. So maybe I think we've gained something thanks to your excellent efforts. I think anybody who comes here is going to have a great time, not just ice skating, but then you can go and get some good food and you can get out and enjoy yourself on the rides, if you have the courage. If anybody would like my seat on that dreadful thing, I'm willing to give it away. But this is just a temporary location, we're told, for East Side, which has allowed even great more activities for our families and friends in the West Midlands to come and enjoy. I personally think it wouldn't be a bad idea if it could actually stay here. I think it really brings something to this side of the city. And it's very good to see you back again this year with that beautiful big wheel. The third year that you've had the big wheel here, I understand, which is absolutely super. So we wish you every success. I hope everybody enjoys the evening. I'm delighted to declare the ice rink open.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Don't forget to go and get your photos with Santa. Excuse me, Yeti and Santa. I think we should have one with the theatre workshop before they start their singing. That's it. There we go. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so have some fun, enjoy. There's going to be lots of room tonight. Like we say, it's a special event this evening. It's a free one too. And to sing us into it now that we've officially had the opening, please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Theatre Workshop! And Santa and the Yeti. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the night. Please give a huge round of applause for the Theatre Workshop, the guys and girls. You guys are brilliant. Have you got an encore? You got one more? All right, listen, thank you very much. The park is open, like we say, it's a very special event tonight. It's a free one, have a look around, try out everything. But I believe now, Naomi, what are we going to do with the ice?
It's the main event, isn't it? Who is excited to go ice skating? Me too! Come on, some of the adults are excited to go ice skating. Yay! Well, shall we do it? Let's get on to the ice!